The Shark Vertex Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerhouse designed to handle everything from dust bunnies to pet hair, offering an impressive combination of features, power, and convenience. Whether you're dealing with hardwood floors, carpets, or pet-friendly homes, this vacuum stands out for its versatility and advanced tech. Today, we're taking a close look at the Shark Vertex Pro and evaluating how it measures up to real-world cleaning challenges. Let's start with its design. The Vertex Pro is lightweight and portable, making it an excellent option for those who prefer not to lug around a heavy vacuum. It's designed with a removable handheld feature, which allows you to easily clean above-floor surfaces, like upholstery, stairs, and even your car interiors. Plus, it offers a two-in-one experience, transforming from a stick vacuum to a handheld device with minimal effort. This makes it incredibly versatile, especially if you're cleaning multiple surface types in one go. One of the standout features of the Vertex Pro is the DuoClean PowerFins technology. Unlike traditional vacuums, this vacuum features a soft front roller that pulls in larger particles, while PowerFins continuously make contact with the floor to pick up even more debris with each pass. This design not only makes it highly efficient, but also ensures you're getting deeper cleaning, especially when dealing with fine dust and pet hair. The self-cleaning brush roll is another significant perk. If you've ever dealt with pet hair wrapping around your vacuum's brush roll, you'll appreciate how this feature eliminates that problem. It's a real game changer for pet owners, providing powerful hair pickup with no mess or tangling. Moving on to performance, this vacuum does not disappoint. The powerful suction performance in boost mode is comparable to full-size vacuums, meaning it can take on tough cleaning tasks with ease. On different surfaces, it adapts remarkably well. On carpets, it lifts embedded dirt and pet hair effortlessly. On hardwood floors, it captures dust and debris without leaving streaks or scattering particles around. And with the inclusion of HEPA filtration, the Shark Vertex Pro is also perfect for allergy sufferers. The Anti-Allergen Complete Seal ensures that dust, allergens, and dander are trapped inside the vacuum, preventing them from being released back into the air you breathe. In terms of battery life, the Shark Vertex Pro features 2 removable batteries that provide up to 120 minutes of runtime. That's a huge benefit for larger homes or extended cleaning sessions. In eco mode, it's especially efficient, allowing you to get a lot of work done without worrying about recharging frequently. The IQ display on the vacuum provides real-time feedback, showing you how much battery life remains and giving you an easy view of performance stats. Another useful feature is the MultiFLEX technology. This allows the vacuum to reach difficult spots, like under furniture or tight corners, by bending the wand. It's an excellent design element for users who want to avoid bending down or moving furniture around. Additionally, the freestanding storage option is a huge plus for people with limited storage space, as it eliminates the need to lean the vacuum against walls or find a designated hook. The Vertex Pro also comes with some practical attachments, including a pet multi-tool, a crevice tool, and an anti-allergen dusting brush. These are perfect for tackling those hard-to-reach spots or specialized cleaning needs like pet hair removal from upholstery. Plus, the LED headlights light up dark areas so you can see hidden debris or dust that you might miss with a regular vacuum. When it comes to maintaining the Shark Vertex Pro, it's designed to be user-friendly. The XL dust cup is large enough to hold plenty of dirt, and the Clean Touch dirt ejector allows for mess-free emptying. This means no more sticking your hand in the dust cup to clear out the debris. Just a simple push of a button, and you're good to go. However, no vacuum is without its drawbacks. For some, the runtime may feel a bit limiting, especially if you're tackling a large area on boost mode. While 120 minutes is great for smaller cleaning sessions, it's worth noting that you may need to recharge or swap out batteries for extensive cleanups. Additionally, while the vacuum excels in most areas, it's not the quietest model out there. If you're particularly sensitive to noise, this might be something to consider before purchasing. In terms of value for money, the Shark Vertex Pro sits in a competitive price range for a cordless vacuum with this level of performance. It offers excellent features like powerful suction, long battery life, and HEPA filtration, making it an excellent choice for those with pets or allergies. Compared to other models in a similar price range, it stands out with its self-cleaning brush roll and flexible MultiFLEX technology, both of which are hard to beat at this price point. If you're looking for a versatile, high-performance vacuum that doesn't skimp on quality, this is a solid choice. When comparing the Shark Vertex Pro to other vacuums in its category, like the Dyson V11 or the Tineco Pure One S12, it's clear that the Vertex Pro has a few unique advantages. The DuoClean PowerFins provide more consistent performance on hard floors and carpets, while the self-cleaning brush roll and MultiFLEX technology give it a leg up in terms of ease of use and maneuverability. On the downside, it's a bit heavier than some models and may not be as quiet as others in the same range. As for build quality, the Shark Vertex Pro feels solid. The materials are durable, and the construction feels robust, ensuring that it will last with proper care. It's designed to handle the wear and tear of regular use, and the ease of maintenance further extends its longevity. The brush roll and filters are easy to clean, and the overall design makes it easy to maintain over time. In terms of customer support, Shark is known for being responsive and helpful. Should any issues arise, the brand's customer service is typically quick to address concerns, offering repairs or replacements as necessary. Additionally, the product comes with a decent warranty, which provides peace of mind in case of any unforeseen issues. When it comes to updates, the Shark Vertex Pro doesn't include any smart features like app integration or firmware updates. It's a straightforward vacuum with no need for complicated tech, and that suits many buyers who are looking for something simple and efficient without the added hassle of dealing with software. In conclusion, the Shark Vertex Pro is a highly capable vacuum that shines in its ability to clean a wide range of surfaces, handle pet hair, and provide a convenient and easy-to-use experience. Its versatility, strong suction power, and unique features like the self-cleaning brush roll and MultiFLEX technology make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine. Whether you're a pet owner, allergy sufferer, or someone who just wants a vacuum that does the job without hassle, the Shark Vertex Pro could very well be the solution you've been looking for. However, if you're looking for a super quiet vacuum or one that's a bit lighter, you may want to consider other options.